Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my vision board for 2021. As you can see on my iPad for 2020 in about November, I did create a vision board, but I decided it's a new year, let's redo this vision board and have a lot more of the things I want to achieve this year. So I decided to change it. I went on to Pinterest, obviously, as it is the best place to go when you want images and be very aesthetic, and I went onto that and found a lot of images. I did reuse some from the other one just because it was really hard to find them ones, but I did use Pinterest for everything. And then I decided to go onto Procreate, which is £10 for the app on the iPad. However, it has saved me so much time with my business and doing things like this and my thumbnails. If you have an iPad, I would highly recommend. It is absolutely amazing, and I just got going with it. A lot of these are either to do with traveling again for this next year, my desk, because I wanted aesthetic desk ones that show me being productive, especially for uni. I have baking because I fell in love with it this year and I want to carry on. Fashion because I really want to find my fashion, healthy ones, and water because I want to get into trying to be more healthy. Reading because one of my goals is to read 5 books this year. There is cameras on there that signify YouTube and getting them cameras, and as well creating so much more content for you guys. There is so many of my goals and things I just want to achieve this year on it that just overall I love it. It shows everything I want to achieve. There's places to travel, like Paris is on there. There's a MacBook because I do really want to get a MacBook, not this year, but I want to slowly go over to a MacBook when I have the money. I do have a laptop right now that works perfectly fine, but that is one of my goals in the really far in the future, to own more Apple products because I love them. They're perfect for what I want to do. There is so many on here. There's quotes on there that really I want to inspire me, like the work hard one, because this is the year where I want to work as hard as I can to achieve everything I want to achieve. I would recommend anyone doing this because I have it saved on my laptop, my iPad and my phone as a background, and it's just a really nice reminder. And as well, it's so aesthetic and it can be anything. You can make it aesthetic, you can just have random things. It's such a good idea to have and put goals in a place because you are constantly seeing them. I achieved so many of my goals from last time, and there was a quote on there that it's all going to be okay on my last one, and it's so true. And I saw it every single day when I was going on my iPad, and it really did remind me that if it's not an okay day, then the next day will be okay. And them sort of things really ruminate in your brain and really do help you to achieve everything you do want to achieve. The study ones on there for me were very much so if these people can study, then I can, and I want to make it aesthetic photos like that just because that's sort of thing I do like doing. And I started studying a lot more because of seeing these people and creating all these aesthetic things that it made me study so I can create them. So yeah, seeing them every day really does help. And as well, it helps to recognize your quotes and goals, because if you just write them down you can shut them away, but this way you are never shutting them away, you are always visually seeing them so you can always achieve them. I did put mine on, as I said, on my everything, so on my iPad and my laptop and my phone, but you'd have to do this, but I did this just so I can achieve a lot more. And I did do it the screen size, you can change the screen size, do a different one for each and every one of them, but it is amazing and I love them.
Come see me, keep it low key, or we can go high speed, or to give it 3, it's fine by me.
Thank you for watching this video. If you did please like and subscribe for more. Comment down below what one of your quotes is or one of the things that is on your vision board. I would absolutely love to know. And if you did subscribe, please click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do upload. It is on a Tuesday and a Saturday, but this week we have another bonus video that's coming to you on a Thursday. So remember to stick around for that, and I really hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time.